Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to trace a simple image in Adobe Illustrator. So here is I have added a simple image in Adobe Illustrator and I need to trace this image. So what I need to do is select this image and first of all embed it into your uh, Adobe Illustrator. So once it is embedded, so what you need to do is open the image trace window. So here is the image trace window. If you don't find it here, you can also add it from here. So select this window and from here you can select the image trace option. Here it is, select this image trace option and you will get it here. So what you need to do is click on this preview option and also select the advanced image. So uh, you will get a result something like this when you click on the preview. By default it is selected on the black and white mode. You can also select the color mode here and you can limit your color uh, to number of your choice. So you can also reduce the number of colors and you can also increase. So by default it is selected and you can check the preview here. So once you are okay with all the options, what you need to do is click on this expand. Once you click the expand, the image will be converted into the vector. So once it is converted into the vector, you can also change the color according to your need. So when I click on the expand, you can see that the image is uh, changes into the vector. By default it will be grouped. So click here and right click and ungroup this. So once it is ungrouped, you can now select the uh, uh, separate elements in this vector. So if I need to change the color, you can easily change the color here. Yes, you can change, simply change the color according to your need. So this is how you can trace image using Adobe Illustrator. I hope you like this video. If you like, uh, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.